Ever pushed yourself too hard at the gym and woke up feeling like you got hit by a truck? Don't worry, you're not alone. That post-workout soreness can be a real struggle, making even the simplest movements feel like a challenge. But what if I told you there are simple and effective ways to speed up recovery, reduce muscle pain, and get back to feeling great in no time? Whether it's the right nutrition, stretching techniques, or natural remedies, you don't have to suffer through endless aches and stiffness. Stay tuned to discover the best ways to recover faster and keep your workouts on track. Muscle soreness, also known as delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, is a common experience after an intense workout, especially if you've tried new exercises or pushed your muscles harder than usual. This soreness occurs due to microscopic tears in muscle fibers, which happen when muscles are placed under stress during physical activity. As your body repairs these tiny tears, inflammation occurs, leading to stiffness, tenderness, and discomfort that typically peaks between 24 to 72 hours after exercise. But here's the good news: muscle soreness is actually a sign of progress. The process of breaking down and rebuilding muscle fibers helps them grow stronger and more resilient over time. This adaptation is what allows you to lift heavier weights, run longer distances, or improve endurance with consistent training. While DOMS can be uncomfortable, it's a natural part of muscle recovery and growth. However, managing soreness properly can help speed up recovery and keep you performing at your best. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal muscle function and recovery, especially after a strenuous workout. Muscles rely on water to transport nutrients, regulate temperature, and remove waste products that accumulate during exercise. When dehydration sets in, the body struggles to flush out byproducts like lactic acid, leading to prolonged soreness and stiffness. Proper hydration not only minimizes muscle cramps, but also enhances circulation, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach fatigued muscles for faster repair. Consistently drinking water throughout the day helps maintain steady energy levels, preventing fatigue and improving overall workout performance. After an intense sweat session, replenishing electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium is crucial to restore mineral balance, support nerve function, and prevent dehydration-related issues like dizziness or muscle weakness. Making hydration a priority can significantly improve recovery time and keep your body performing at its best. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Active recovery is a crucial yet often overlooked part of muscle recovery. While it may seem counterintuitive to move when you're sore, staying completely still can actually prolong stiffness and discomfort. Engaging in light activities such as walking, yoga, or stretching helps stimulate blood flow, allowing oxygen and essential nutrients to reach tired muscles more efficiently. This increased circulation aids in flushing out metabolic waste like lactic acid, reducing inflammation, and promoting quicker healing. Gentle movement also prevents muscles from becoming too tight, improving flexibility and range of motion. Even just a few minutes of low-impact exercise can significantly enhance recovery, leaving you feeling less sore and more refreshed the next day. By incorporating active recovery into your routine, you can maintain mobility, reduce muscle stiffness, and set yourself up for a smoother return to more intense workouts. Massage and foam rolling are highly effective techniques for alleviating muscle soreness and enhancing recovery. A deep tissue massage can help relax tight muscles, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach affected areas more efficiently. Similarly, foam rolling, also known as self-myofascial release, targets muscle knots and adhesions by applying pressure to tight areas, helping to break up tension and restore flexibility. This process not only eases stiffness, but also promotes better movement and reduces the risk of injury. Incorporating foam rolling into your routine, especially after workouts or before bed, can speed up recovery and keep your muscles feeling loose and functional. By dedicating just a few minutes to rolling out sore areas, you can enhance mobility, reduce discomfort, and prepare your body for the next workout with improved performance and reduced stiffness. Cold and heat therapy are effective and complementary methods for relieving muscle soreness and promoting faster recovery. Cold therapy, such as ice packs or cold baths, helps reduce inflammation, numb pain, and prevent swelling after intense exercise or minor injuries. It constricts blood vessels, slowing down metabolic activity in the affected area and minimizing tissue damage. This makes it particularly useful for post-workout recovery or acute muscle strains. On the other hand, heat therapy works by dilating blood vessels, increasing circulation, and relaxing tight muscles. Applying a heating pad, taking a warm bath, or using a hot towel can help ease stiffness, improve flexibility, and enhance mobility. Heat is especially beneficial for chronic muscle tension or soreness that lingers beyond the initial post-workout phase. By incorporating both methods strategically, you can maximize muscle recovery, reduce discomfort, and keep your body feeling strong and refreshed. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in muscle recovery, ensuring that your body has the necessary building blocks to repair and grow stronger after exercise. Protein is especially crucial as it provides the amino acids needed to rebuild muscle fibers damaged during workouts. Incorporating high-quality protein sources like lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, or plant-based options such as lentils, quinoa, and tofu can accelerate recovery and promote muscle growth. In addition to protein, healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil help combat inflammation and support overall muscle health. Potassium-rich foods, such as bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach, play a key role in muscle function, reducing the risk of cramps and stiffness. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you can minimize soreness, enhance endurance, and get the most out of your workouts. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle recovery by helping to relax tight muscles and prevent cramps. One of the easiest ways to boost your magnesium levels is by soaking in an Epsom salt bath. The warm water relaxes your muscles, while the magnesium sulfate from the salts is absorbed through the skin, helping to relieve soreness and tension. Adding a few drops of essential oils like lavender can also enhance relaxation and improve sleep quality. Your body does most of its muscle repair and recovery while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your muscles to fully heal and grow stronger. Poor sleep can increase inflammation, slow down recovery, and leave you feeling more fatigued. Create a good bedtime routine by avoiding screens before bed, keeping your room cool, and relaxing with meditation or deep breathing to ensure you wake up feeling refreshed. By following these simple and effective recovery tips, you can minimize muscle soreness, boost performance, and keep progressing in your fitness journey without unnecessary pain. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips to keep you feeling strong and energized.